This table is great for a playdate picnic in the shade. It snaps together right out of the box and folds flat when disassembled for easy storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Snaps together. No tools. Parents and grandparents can easily snap this table together without tools. Number 2. When disassembled, the picnic table folds flat for easy storage. Number 3. Includes a removable 42 inches, 106.7 centimeters, square umbrella to provide shade to the kids on sunny days. Number 4. Detach the umbrella and bring this versatile kids picnic table indoors for family gatherings or parties. Number 5. 4 children can sit at the picnic table with a maximum weight of 40 pounds per seat. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.